Have you ever wanted to save money for something big? Then you know how hard it is to save money, make money, and how easy it is to spend right after payday. Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. You can remember me as Snow Sugar. If you know Japanese, you will know why Snow Sugar. I am a zero-waste mobile story video creator from Japan. I've been based in New York City since 1994. Because I am a Mottainai Japanese philosophy believer, I have been saving and investing money wisely with KAKEIBO, Japanese zero-waste household cash management, the art of saving money. My personal journey with KAKEIBO started when I moved away from my parents for college after tracking my allowance from 11 years old. Original KAKEIBO was tracking individual items from the grocery receipts, vegetables, salt, sugar, and seasonings, if it is for main meals or appetizers. That way, we will know if we are buying too much or too little food, when we will need to replace salt, and so on. If we buy too much food, it may go to waste before we eat it. I will show you why we are tracking in detail using the KAKEIBO philosophy. Don't be overwhelmed. This KAKEIBO course is for beginners. We will not go into the detail of the grocery receipts in this course. I created 4 simple and easy worksheets for you to learn how to manage and save money. In this course, you will learn what is KAKEIBO, KAKEIBO worksheets, understanding your income and expenses, how to set your goal to achieve by tracking your money using the worksheets. Money is just energy. It will be a little emotional sometimes, but don't be afraid. If you love to save money for something big, you will enjoy KAKEIBO, Japanese Household Financial Record Book. This course is great for people who want to understand their finances, want to save money to buy a home, and pay back their debts faster. I am so excited to work with you, Japanese zero-waste household accounting, KAKEIBO. You will be surprised by something amazing at the end of the course. After you master your financial tracking, I can offer the original KAKEIBO method course for any of you who are interested. Let's get started. See you inside of the class.